Hi boys and girls, today we're going to do spelling sound mapping. Go ahead and pause the video and go get your spelling sound mapping paper. Remember that this week our spelling pattern is vowel teams. The two vowel teams that we're working on are OA, making the O sound, and IGH, making the I sound. When we do our spelling sound mapping, remember each sound gets its own box. The first word is the word coach. Let's push up the sounds. K, O, ch. I hear three sounds, so I'm going to fill in three boxes. I have a vowel team and I have a digraph in that word. Now I'm going to come over to the number 1 and write the word coach. Good job. All right, the next word is the word groan. Let's push up the sounds. G, O, N. I hear 4 sounds. That means I'm going to have 4 boxes. Good job. Now I'm going to write next to the number 2. All right, good job. The next word is the word road. Let's push up the sounds. O, D. I hear 3 sounds. That means I'm going to have 3 boxes. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to catch up. And then I'm going to write the word road next to number 3. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to catch up. The next word is the word throat. Let's push up the sounds. O, T. Remember, each sound gets its own box. Then I'm going to write next to number 4. Go ahead and pause the video to catch up. The next word is the word fright. Let's push up the sounds. I, T. Remember, each sound gets its own box. Go ahead and pause the video to catch up. The next word is the word high. Let's go ahead and push up the sounds. I. Remember, each sound gets its own box. All right, the next word is the word night. Let's push up the sounds. I, T. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to catch up. The next word is the word sigh. Let's push up the sounds. I. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to catch up. And the last word is the word right. Let's push up the sounds. I, T. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to catch up. All right, good job doing your spelling sound mapping. Go ahead and turn it into the top basket and start on your may do, must do list. Have a great day.